Stop by and take a look at the 2021 A8. Its supremacy is unchallenged. It is the manifestation of power coupled with luxury that makes the A8 priceless. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.